Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing out this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. As you can see, we have a lot of machines on the bench. Just a busy time here at Kanen Coffee. So this machine was pretty dirty. You can see the old screen here, clogged pretty bad. We would definitely, it doesn't look like this machine's been getting backflushed, so we would recommend backflushing this machine about every 50 or 60 shots, just to keep everything working well, and the shots will taste a lot better. So let's go ahead and test the machine. I like my shots to be, when using a 2-shot basket, I like the shots to be about 2 ounces. And I don't tend to use the pre-programmed buttons. I tend to use the on-demand button, just so that I can get as much espresso. Then I stop it when I get to the 2-ounce mark. You can see we have nice espresso with a really good amount of crema, good flow. Let's test the steam. Working well, and the hot water is working well. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.